This is KLM Flight 760 arriving from San José. 777-200. 9 hours 46 minutes on the way. It's the Papa Hotel. Bravo Quebec. Hey! Uh-oh. Boarding. Landing attempt number 2 for KLM Flight 760. It went around this point minutes ago. Here we go. Well, from what we can see over here, nothing seems to be out of the ordinary.